Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover ApeCoin. We are going to see some news and we are going to do some technical analysis to see what are the price targets right now. But most important, ApeCoin could be leaving Ethereum blockchain and move into Avalanche with Flow. So we are going to cover all this and what are the reasons behind this situation and the latest news of these new updates that we have from the ApeCoin DAO. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, the crypto market is still going down. We are moving Bitcoin between 29,000 and 30,000. Right now, at the time of recording, 29,100. So we are coming back down from the 30k level. And we are going to cover ApeCoin right now. It's at position 32. The price is down from $8 point. We are going to do some technical analysis, but before that, let's go directly to the news. So ApeCoin migration draws closer as Avalanche and Flow hostel for chance to host the project. ApeCoin DAO is shopping for a new home as it looks forward to life outside the Ethereum blockchain. Minting NFTs from the Metaverse project cost investors north of 100 million after closing the Ethereum Network. Avalanche and Flow are in pole position to host ApeCoin DAO as they flaunt their features to community members. So we know that why this happened. This was Yuga Labs is the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, and they mint the Metaverse other side, and the exponential increase on the fees on that moment didn't work out super well. The community was really upset of the fees on that on Ethereum. Actually, the project promised to return those fees, and actually I think they did it. And we have a code from this. This has been the largest NFT mint in history by several multiplies. And yes, the gas used during the mint shows that the demand far exceeded anyone's wildest expectations, the company wrote on Twitter. We are sorry for turning off the lights on Ethereum for a while. It seems abundantly clear that ApeCoin will need to migrate to its own chain in order to properly scale. We would like to encourage the DAO to start thinking in this direction, said Yuga Labs. It was just yesterday, guys, at the end of the day. And following the statement, Avalanche and Flow have reportedly reached out to the board of the DAO with the belief that they have what it takes to host the ecosystem that Yuga Labs is creating. For a chain migration to occur, ApeCoin DAO will have to vote on such a proposal, and since March, the DAO has voted on 11 proposals and pundits are banking on these two assets that the migration is on the way. So what has Avalanche to offer? Avalanche and Flow has to offer for Yuga ecosystems the chance to exit on its own subnet, allowing transactions to take place without clogging the rest of the network. And this is a quote from the co-founder of Labs that says that the company had already entered into a round of discussions about subnet with ApeCoin DAO, and we have certainly got our pitch ready to go. He added that an NFT ecosystem of that size needs to exit in a scalable environment. So, while Avalanche, I have to say, at some points the network is really congested and the fees are also high. But of course works much better in that than Ethereum. So of course this project it will be more scalable than that, and they will not suffer what happened with the Metaverse of ApeCoin. So these are great news. In the big schema of things for ApeCoin, we still are down. Even the 24 hours was bullish according to this article. Actually, the NFT collection of the Metaverse in position 4 was also down an 11%. And you can see here on the NFT collection rankings by sales volume. But I think that corresponds to the rest of the market. And moving into some TA, of course, ApeCoin only has been here in the market since March 17. So we don't have a lot of data for trading this, but we are already starting to see some structures on the price action. So you can see how after the immense pump of the listing coin, we create this support area around this level, which is the $10.6. We tested first the 9.5 and then we held support in the 10.6, and that was our market structure for that. After we break this trend to the upside, this was from April 18 to April 29, we broke this resistance, and from there we went down 5x's on the price. So we went from 27 all the way an 80% to 5.2. So this was already our dump in the market price. And after hitting that low, we recover, and you can see that we are creating now a new channel here, a new structure for May 9. We are already on May 23, and you can see how this is respecting exactly. And for the ceiling of this structure, we have the 9.5 price action, which was support before. So what I can see on the charts right now to enter some positions, this is a project that I am interested, and if this project survives this bear market, I think there will be a lot of hype on the new cycle for ApeCoin and the NFT markets. So I am planning to buy this coin at a very low price. I will not enter right now. So in a quick trade, what you can see here is that we are still holding the support. We may close the current candle. Let me zoom a little bit. We may close the daily candle right now below the support area, which is around 7.5, like I mentioned, 7.8. If we close below that, we need to see how the wicks will behave. But right now, I think this trade is very safe. If we go below this wick that we have here, this was at 7.2. I think you will be able to short this ApeCoin token around 7.1, for example, and hold the short position until the support area of 5.7. We don't have market structure here. We don't have support on resistance levels down here, besides these wicks. So put in a short position at 7.1 and you can let it run and take profits all the way down until 5.7, a little before this support area. I think that is a good strategy, a safe trade right now. And if you want to leave some margin for this trade, you can put your stop loss at 7.9. So if we come back about this support area, then you can exit your trade. But I think this is a very safe trade for now. So you can try that if you want. I may try it too. I am not buying in spot position. I am waiting Bitcoin going below $28,000 and try to catch near the bottom of the market. And then at that moment, I probably will enter some positions for the long term on ApeCoin. Remember that it's a very bad idea to try to catch the bottom. So if you don't know how to buy altcoins right now in this bear market, you need to see this video where I explain exactly how is the best strategy for buying altcoins and Bitcoin in the bear market. It's impossible or almost impossible to catch the bottom, and usually all the people will miss the train. They will not buy at this bear market. They will miss it and they will start buying on the highs again after the bear market ends. So in order to avoid that, check that video and also check these top altcoins to buy in this dip. Well guys, this is all the review for ApeCoin right now. This is for the price action and the news that ApeCoin could be moving into Avalanche. Before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye!